Hello everyone, this is Aditya back again with another video. In this video, we are going to build a vanilla JS app, and this is a weather app. For that, I'm going to use this weather API, Mm, and the basic version is uh, it's its pricing is quite good, and it's freely available for a lot of requests. So that would be quite easy for us to implement this. And for this, I have just created this layout, and just a simple layout. I've used a flexbox for that, and this one is all I have created. And here I have grabbed all the API key and URLs over here. So this you can find here when you sign up and go to your dashboard. There you can see your this API key. There you can grab this and you can regenerate this again as well. And yeah, you should grab your own API key. Don't try to copy this, as just after completing this video I will destroy this. And yeah, so first of all, I have initialized the three files, and after that I have used live server and extension, this one, to run this locally at port 5500. And there now we are going to make a API call, and we are going to use our to get navigator API to get our longitude and latitude. So for that, let's first of all add event listener on load. Okay, and let's put all of this inside it. And we are going to use fetch API. First of all, let's just grab the JSON, and then you just console log first, and after that we will do. And in case of error, we're gonna add a catch as well, and we'll log this as well. Okay, so here it is, and let's reload our app and see what we are getting. Here we are getting location, current. These are all the things, and we're gonna need temperature in Celsius, and yeah. So, and is there anything else we're gonna need? Yeah, we can grab this location as well, and from there we're gonna need name and reason, maybe. Yeah. So for that, first of all, let's just look our navigation API, and so for that, let's just if navigator dot geolocation, if the user have given permission to get the geolocation, only then we will have to grab this navigator dot geolocation dot get current position, and this will give us a response, I guess. And here we can grab this lat system position dot coords dot latitude, and system position dot coords dot longitude, and inside here um, we're gonna make all our API requests, and let's put these side here as well. Right, and this is latitude and longitude with this, and let's just remove this. This will be undefined for now, and after that here we are giving this positions. Let's see what request is being sent, and there's this and this one is quite long, and so that the everything after this point will be removed. Okay, and now so we can grab this you can grab current and location from here. Location, inside location we're gonna need inside, first of all let's just see inside current we're gonna need only temp C. We need and inside location we're gonna need country and name. Let's just grab some of the values from here, and today's weather, and this one let's first of all grab this value, and this will be weather lat value. Sorry, this should be long. And here let's just grab this value from API. We can either grab this from API, or we can just grab this from here. So both will be the same thing, I guess, and let's just put it Let's see what changes we can see here. This is 35 and 25 during. I think this is the updated one. As in the network request, we are also sending. Okay, we are sending 25 and 86, and here it is 35. Okay, so here we were grabbing the wrong name, and that's the reason it was not visible over here. So we are setting the text content, and now it's visible. It's 25 and 86, and this is the same. We are sending a request. Okay, and now we can add another lit temp, and this will be the lit. Let me grab the. So basically, we just need to grab this weather temperature, and that's what we want on, I guess. And here is the temperature, and inside the temperature, what text just get this one. Text content and this score C. Let's see. Okay, we are able to see this one, but being inside of this, I guess that's the reason. So let's put a span over here as well, and just call this. This one and paste it over here. Okay, I guess there is no need of getting another variable for temp, but just directly placing it here. So we got, and this is all. And after that, if we move further, like we have already got the start of a country name and all, so we can put that as well. And I think I'm going to put that. So weather country, and here we can just don't we don't need span over here. Just put country and weather country, and inside that we will pass. I need to change this to something else. Now we're going to save all and see if there is any changes here. And here it is. Yeah. Oh, right now I'm in India. Uh, that's where it is grabbing my ID, and yeah, it's pretty good. Uh, could have made changes from directly in JavaScript, but I prefer to do it this way for now, and in upcoming videos we will do that way as well. And, it is we're getting 27.7 degrees Celsius. And, so let's put this name somewhere as well. Let's just it's better plus 3. Here it is, country name and text content. This name is, let's see. I'm not sure what this is written, what we are getting from the API, but this is it's pretty good. And I think this is it for this video, and you can grab this code from the down in the description below. The next video we will try to build something else. And, I will try to be consistent with the vanilla JS for some time. And I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.